How to install and run Nginx server on Windows. Below are the steps on how to install and run Nginx server on Windows. 1. Download the Nginx installer for Windows from the Nginx website, https://nginx.org/n/download.html. 2. Extract the Nginx archive to a directory of your choice. 3. Open a command prompt and navigate to the directory where you extracted Nginx. 4. Start Nginx by typing the following command, Nginx5. Nginx should now be running on your computer. You can verify this by opening a web browser and navigating to http://localhost. You should see the Nginx welcome page. Here are some additional notes. * by default, Nginx listens on port 80. You can change this by editing the nginx.conf file. * Nginx can be run as a service. To do this, you need to create a new service in the Windows Service Manager. * For more information on installing and running Nginx on Windows, please see the Nginx documentation, https://nginx.org/n/doc/windows.html. Here are some of the benefits of using Nginx. * It is a very lightweight and efficient web server. * It is very scalable and can handle a large number of requests. * It is very secure and has a number of features to protect against attacks. * It is very easy to configure and manage.